Hello, Brett here from First Social, and today we're going to take a look at the new pop-up deals WordPress plugin offered by First Social. So here we're on the First Social blog, and you can see that we're actually using this plugin on our own blog. When people first come to the site, this is what they're going to see. They're going to see the deal offer that we're giving. You can see we're giving a free WordPress plugin away to anybody that signs up for our deal. We also have a countdown timer showing that will count down to when the deal ends in order to give a sense of urgency and try to entice people to click the sign in button. So after they see this, they go ahead and click the button to get the deal, and it's going to take them to the sign up page where it asks them to enter their full name and email address. Once they do that, they can go ahead and click the sign up button, and they can instantly download their plugin. If we wanted to not have a download, we could also redirect them to a site if we chose, and then the pop-up goes away and they won't see it again. So let's head over to the back end for this plugin so I can show you how to set it up and show you how it works. So this is the pop-up deals backend that's right inside of WordPress. The first thing you're going to notice is that you have an option here to turn your pop-up on or off as you choose. You have a couple of tabs up here so you can set the settings for your pop-up, also set the way the deal looks and behaves, and also collect your emails and your stats. We'll go over them now. The first thing you're going to want to do always is set up your basic settings. This is going to show the number of deals that you want to give away. It's going to ask you if you want to display the number of deals. It's also going to ask you for a deal end date, and it's going to ask you if you want to display the countdown that we had on ours. You can enter terms of service, privacy policies, since you're collecting emails if you choose. It's going to ask you things like the display frequency. What this is how often do you want to show the pop-up to your visitors. So we have it set to show up every time a user comes. So it's constantly going to show them the pop-up until they finally sign up for it. But we could also set it to show them once, and then if they don't sign up, don't show them again for the next 1 day or 7 days or 14 days or 30 days, whatever we choose. It's also going to ask you for the pop-up integration. There's two ways to do that. You can show the pop-up on every page and post that's on your WordPress site, or you can go ahead and show it only on pages and posts that you have a shortcode inserted in. If you want to redirect after they sign up, you can go ahead and click in the redirect URL. Or if you want to upload a file for them to download automatically after they sign up, you can go ahead and upload it here, and you can see we're actually having them download the WordPress SEO plugin. The deal section is where you're going to set the look and feel of your deal. There's a couple of ways to do that. There's a lot of flexibility. The easiest way to set up a deal is going to be to upload a graphic. You can see that's exactly what we did. We just uploaded a graphic, and that is our pop-up. And the plugin actually comes with a bunch of graphic templates free as well to get you started off easily. However, if you don't want to use a graphic, if you just want something more simple, you can set a background color for your deal, a texture, and you can enter in your own deal text right here. And let me show you actually one of our other sample pop-ups that uses the background texture and text. So this is actually one of our sample plugins. You can see it's just on a demo site, and it's obviously a fake offer. But we wanted to show you what you can do if you don't have any graphics, or if you choose not to use one of the graphic templates that we give you. You can very easily just pick a background color. You see we choose red and green because we're making a fake Christmas special. And we're going to actually have a countdown on this one. So it's counting down the number of deals left, and it's also counting down until the deal expires. You can fully customize your sign up button. You can select its color, its text color, and you can also actually choose to not show a sign up button. That's for if you don't want to have a deal at all. If you just want to give an announcement, or maybe you just want to paste in some of your autoresponder code up here into the WYSIWYG editor, you don't really need a sign up button in that case. The next option you have is the email option, and this is where you're going to be able to see and download all of the emails that you've collected with your deal. So you can see a list of all the emails that you've collected. You can also clear them if you want, and you can download them as a CSV so you can upload them to your autoresponder so you can mail to them later. Over here we have our stats. The Pop-Up Deals plugin does full hit tracking and stat tracking. It's going to show you a quick summary of your stats. It's going to give you the total number of hits. Now this is the total number of times the pop-up was shown. It's going to tell you the total number of redemptions. Redemption is when somebody signs up, they enter their name and email address, and they get whatever you're offering, whether it's a download file or redirect to a website. And it's going to automatically calculate the conversion rate for you. So that way you can see how well your deal is converting. After that, it's going to give you a daily breakdown and show you each day what had happened. So it's going to show you in this orange bar here is going to be the number of hits that you got for that particular day, and the green bar is going to be the number of redemptions you got for that particular day. So that way you can see how your deal is progressing over time, whether it's increasing or decreasing, and it'll help you tweak your deal and make sure you're getting the optimal conversion rate.
The last option over here is, of course, the help option. And there's actually a few things in here that are going to come in handy for you. The first, obviously, is the FAQ, which is going to answer some of the common questions that people have. Then there are a few video tutorials so that you can see how things are done. This video is actually included in there as well. There is the download section. Now, I don't want to show you all the downloads, but there's a lot of stuff in there. There's a graphics pack in there. There is some background, free background deals backgrounds. There are some tutorials and some tips and how to do different things with the pop-ups. And lastly, we have the contact support form, which if anybody has ever used a First Social product, you know one of the things we pride ourselves on more than anything is our support. I know personally that when I have a question for a company and I expect them to answer me right away, I want an answer, and that's how we are. If you have a question or you want to know how to do something, please do not hesitate to use this contact form. Thank you and have a great day.